Welcome everyone. Today we've got the Firefly from M.A.S.K. Julio Lopez at the helm. It transforms into a rocket glider with weaponry in the front there. And here's a better look at Julio. I'll get him out of the cockpit here in a second. I notice these things do actually go together and spin against each other in the flying position. Those do as well. It's a pretty simple transformation. Just flip open the front, or flip close the front, and pop the wings back in, and it's ready to roll. But now, get on to Julio. The mask is a streamer mask. Evidently shoots out whatever liquid is necessary for the plot of the show during that episode. I did notice earlier it's got this ridge across the back. Looks like a Hans device or something. But the mask locks right on there, nice and flush. There's a look at old Julio's face. If I can get him to focus on him. And a better close-up of the mask. Got a few little details here and there on it. It's a good-looking suit, good-looking character. Got that manly 1980s mustache that let you know he's serious. Yeah. No eyeballs or anything, but he's got a mustache and eyebrows. But yeah, he just drops into his. I don't know if this would be considered a dune buggy or. I think they've renamed dune buggies into something else now, but when I was a kid, this was a dune buggy. No real details on the bottom. He does do a good job of staying in the cockpit. You can see the teeth here on the gears for the transformation. Let's see, this one. Yeah, they mesh together and pop them open. Obviously spring-loaded somewhere. You got the T-bar steering controls. Probably good for a glider. Rocket glider, I think is what they call it. Not a lot to say about him. Fun little toy. Rolls good when it's in vehicle form. And I think it looks pretty cool in secret form, whatever it is. Genuine rubber tires that actually branded Goodyear. It's sort of... I don't know that toys still do that, where they actually license out the manufacturer's names anymore. I say it does roll and does everything you want to do with a car. But that's about all I got to say about him, and it was a quick one. That's about the time frame I want to keep him in. That 3 to 4 minutes seems to be good for me. But thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. We've got plenty more to go where these came from. See y'all next time.